Hi my friends, today I'm in the Les Fusilles streetcar station. I'm in the Les Fusilles Square too. So this is the final stop of the streetcar. As you can see, this place here is the border between Hussein, which is on the right, and Belouizdad, which is on the left. And now you can see the streetcar here. It's at its final stop, and also its departure point. You can see the streetcar here. Now, over there is a bus stop. There is also a taxi station. So it's a transportation hub. Okay, another streetcar has just stopped here. Okay. So the place here is also a square, Les Fusilles, known as Les Fusilles. And the square, that's I think the Algiers Supreme Court over there. It's a court building. And well, as you can see, there are benches for people to sit. There is an esplanade where people can walk. If you want to practice skateboarding, and there is a subway station over there. And what you can see over there, on the top of that hill, is in fact the Palace of Culture. It's the Palace of Culture, which is also a very important cultural infrastructure here in Algeria. Very important cultural building. So this is one of the places that I like to visit in order to sit and read books or simply read the newspaper. Okay. The subway is still closed, and well, but you can still come and sit here and have fun. There are those benches that are so good, and well, and these trees are so beautiful too. They are like you know, like square shaped. As you can see, it's a beautiful spring day today. There is also that long winding bench, and those tents over there served as a bookstore. In fact, there was a bookstore there. They used to sell books. Just last year, there is that beautiful mosque over there too. This is part of the esplanade, which is also being used as a parking space, a parking lot, probably by people working for the subway company and the streetcar company. And what we see right in front of us over there is a Cableway station with the line going all the way to the Palace of Culture. And in fact, this Cableway station services the area of Les Fusilles. So if you live in Les Fusilles, then this is where you are going to take your Cableway car in order to go to your neighborhood. And well, both the subway and the Cableway remain closed as part of the measures taken by the authorities in order to prevent COVID-19 from spreading. And of course, the Martyrs Memorial is over there beyond that hill over there. And well, I think that I have filmed it all. We have filmed everything interesting to see here in this place. I would sometimes come and sit there and read newspapers Alright, take care of yourselves, visit Algiers, like my videos, and goodbye.